your salary is not enough for your family if you have so many like about you have 3 children. No, it's not enough, so they move to the other country like America. First step, you go to the Asian countries, then you apply for visa to another country. It's the stepping stone. Hello, are you still there? You can message me on my WhatsApp. I put it on my profile on the YouTube. What's this? Mother. Ako'y hindi ko rin. Heavy ko. Long time no hear from you. You can message me on my video, then I will reply. You can watch my video and comment, and please don't skip my ads because that ads helps to get my revenue high. When you don't skip ads, I'll be happy to help me here. Hello mo dyan, Sam. Traveler in family. What? Where's Alcas? Are you still the hello? Then Ananda. Hi. Hi to Wong Ganseng. Hello. Hi Wong. Where's Wong? From France. Shout out to OBCG from France. Hello. A big shout out from Philippines. From Naomi. Hi. Yes, I'm here. Okay. Do you have Instagram or you have a WhatsApp? I have WhatsApp. And you what you call this? I have also my Telegram. Naomi Hamaran. That's my Telegram. I will put there my Telegram. That's Naomi Jamarlin. That's my Telegram. And my Gcash also, Alcas is +63. You take now +63 9496 +63 963 317 9945. That's Leonela Hamarolin, my Gcash. That's the name of my mother because my ID is not valid for applying Gcash. So I use the ID of my mother. That's +63 963 317 9945. That's my Gcash account. That's what you asked. What? Take your phone out of the way. Out of the way? No. So, what's this? So that one can read our message. So that number one can read our message, ma'am. Okay. In WhatsApp, in 462441429 in my WhatsApp. You can on my Gcash you can send your message by I can read, but I can't reply because it's too expensive when I go reply in your country, Canada. I can't afford. So you can chat on my WhatsApp number +63 946 2441 429. Take the phone out of the way. What do you mean by that? I don't understand. Yeah, marami nga. Ano ba to eh? May ibang lahi. Dinilit ko nga. Kasi yung mga moderator hindi naman nag-kick. Nag-delete ng mga bad messages. Ikaw na lang, spotless child. Gawin kitang moderator para i-move out mo. Kasi si Joey kasi na-move, wala siya ngayon ng